The cannabis and crypto industries have both faced heavy headwinds from government regulators out there. We've seen the SEC go heavy after crypto, and we've seen the governments out there tax cannabis heavily. What do these two have in common, and can they help each other out? Let's leave this screen and go into this one. Can cryptocurrency help the cannabis industry navigate its banking problems? Yes, in the United States, the cannabis industry cannot use federal banking because it's not federally legal. On the state level, a lot of these states are like, hey, we'll let you play. But hey, you can't use FDIC banks, which means a lot of these cannabis companies out there have to use cash. Now, what is a big problem with using cash? Well, on the crypto side, we know all about this, right? Because our favorite cryptos out there are out there to help the and underbanked. Although medical and recreational marijuana is legal in many states across the country, cannabis remains illegal under federal law, and the lack of federal regulations forces the industry to operate outside of the traditional financial system, very similar to crypto. So what happens when you use a lot of cash? Well, dispensaries and other cannabis companies without access to federal banks and credit card networks are forced to accept and maintain cash on hand, creating a dangerous situation for workers. This unattainable situation has resulted in more than 80 armed robberies in Washington state alone, some of which have ended in death. So now you're asking yourself, how can crypto help out the cannabis industry? Well, cannabis right now is honestly operating as a cash-based society here in the United States. So we're talking about cash transactions. We're talking about businesses having trouble even with simple banking things. Think about getting loans, taking deposits out on building stuff, all bunch of stuff like that. They can't do because it's federally illegal, which means they can't use the bank account. Because think, if a cannabis place were to use a federal bank account, they would be having funds from something illegal, which would make that bank account void. So could crypto now come in and help out these dispensaries and systems? Because think, why couldn't they take cash right away, go to maybe like a nearby MoneyGram, onboard that to USDC and roll that way? That way they don't have to have cash on hand all the time. Or they could have a wallet system provider or an ATM on site that could accept cash, on-ramp it to crypto, and make things good to go. See, the cannabis industry can learn a lot from crypto, and crypto could learn a lot from cannabis. See, the cannabis industry in the United States has not taken off at all in a profitable sense because over-regulation smothered it. We don't want the same things now to happen to crypto. But on the cool side here, there's a synergy between the two because the two are kind of operating under the scope of federal law, right? Federal law, we're seeing what's happening with crypto, and federal law, we're seeing what's happening with cannabis. On a state level, though, we're seeing crypto and cannabis both approved by certain states out there. So again, states' rights versus federal rights. But for a banking system, crypto could come in and help out the cannabis retailers out there, give them another way to bank by using a cash-based system. That's exactly what Stellar, Lumens, XLM, and Ripple XRP have been built for, to help out cash-based societies, cash-based systems. I would love to see some banking synergy out there between the crypto and cannabis industry, build a bridge and make it so that what they can do is what everyone, I don't know, maybe use stable coins or crypto to purchase cannabis. Imagine going into a shop, you hand them cash, right? They change that into crypto, boom, you pay for your stuff right then and there. That way they can do banking and you could still pay in cash. See, it could work. So cannabis and crypto, there is definitely a synergy out there. I understand it is not federally legal in the United States, but we're not here to talk about that. Well, guess what, everyone? Neither is crypto. So, yep, synergy between the two. Let me know in the comments below, do you think there's a synergy, a way they can help each other out? And if you want to learn more about cool Web3 integrations and cool crypto projects, check out this video right here. Thank you for watching and have a great day.